Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth analyses of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a product that's been creating quite the buzz, the Meridian Manscape ball trimmer. And spoiler alert, this isn't just any ordinary trimmer. In fact, it's been hailed as the best bikini trimmer during pregnancy. Intrigued? Let's explore why. First off, let's talk about what makes the Meridian Manscape ball trimmer stand out from the crowd. Designed with precision and care, this trimmer is not just for men. It's for anyone looking for a smooth and comfortable grooming experience. And yes, that includes expectant mothers. Now, what sets this trimmer apart? Well, let's start with its revolutionary design. Unlike traditional razors, the Meridian trimmer cuts just above the skin, leaving you with a smooth finish without any bumps, irritation, or razor burn. And trust me, during pregnancy, when your skin can be extra sensitive, this feature is an absolute game changer. But wait, it gets even better. The Meridian trimmer is completely waterproof, allowing you to trim in the shower with ease. This not only saves you time but also ensures a more comfortable and hassle-free grooming experience. Plus, who doesn't love a little extra convenience, especially when you're expecting? Now, let's talk versatility. Whether you're manscaping or women'scaping, the Meridian trimmer works everywhere. From the bikini area to other parts of the body, this trimmer has got you covered. And trust me, during pregnancy, when reaching certain areas can be a bit challenging, having a versatile trimmer like this is a total lifesaver. And here's the cherry on top, the quick charge feature. The Meridian trimmer charges in minutes and lasts for days, ensuring that you're always ready for a grooming session whenever you need it. Plus, with its long-lasting battery life, you won't have to worry about it running out of juice midway through your grooming routine. And last but not least, let's talk peace of mind. Every Meridian trimmer comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty and a no-nick guarantee. So, you can rest assured knowing that you're investing in a high-quality product that's backed by excellent customer service. Well, folks, there you have it. The Meridian Manscape ball trimmer, the best bikini trimmer during pregnancy. With its innovative design, waterproof feature, versatility, quick charge, and warranty, it's no wonder why this trimmer is winning hearts worldwide. If you're expecting or simply looking for a top-notch grooming experience, look no further than the Meridian trimmer. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy grooming! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. You can also follow us on social media for the latest updates and exclusive content. Until next time, take care and stay fabulous.